I came here to meet the family members of late Sri Manohar Parrikar ji. I had a long association with him for more than say 30 years. He is the finest politician of the modern times. Simple, honest, dedicated, is an epitome of integrity. He walked the talk of simplicity and performed in an exceptional manner whatever responsibility has been given to him, be it in Goa or in Government of India or in the political party where he worked. He did an excellent job. I would like to offer my heartfelt condolences and can only say that he is one of the finest politicians of the day. It's a big loss to the country in general and a loss to the people of Goa in particular. The way in which one can pay tributes to him is following the ideals and the path, the manner in which he has worked for the welfare of the people, totally dedicated.